Places. Let's fucking go. So $8,000. $8,000 last week, right? Just all last week.
No, it was a collection of the whole month of July. Did 8K for July.
Not bad.
And yeah, I mean, I didn't full port anything. I traded my way small risk on 2 accounts. So, and I even copy trade. I did a manually. I manually risk synced. So I think I did really well there.
I am going to be right there with you this coming month. We're about to have 3 funded accounts. Well, we have 2 funded accounts, headed to a third, but we just need to correct a couple errors. Asia session errors.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna think we're gonna get a little inversion here, and that could be a little entry signal for this midnight price.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna be cautious here. We got 10 a.m. news. Let me put my screen up here. There's music, but it's like not coming through to the stream, I think, right?
Guys, can you hear the music? Chat.
Sometimes music for me is a little distracting, but
you want to just sit in silence? We can do that.
No.
I don't mind. We can sit in silence. Mind you, we did stream all last month and you made 8K, so maybe the music's helping. Oh, we just like real big time. I think I want to take a long here.
You're going to go long?
I mean,
you have no break of opening range. What are you seeing for the longs?
We're getting an inversion. We have midnight above.
Okay.
Midnight's up at 671.
Mm-hmm.
I think we tap into I think we tap into that 4 hour above before we go lower if we're going to,
Yeah, potentially. But what I'm seeing here is like, this gap right here is holding price.
I can't see your screen.
I'm sharing, all right?
Yeah.
Most annoying thing in the world. I put it up and then it just disappears. So yeah, this previous stage point of control is acting as resistance right now. So if we can kind of like close above it, I have like a limit order kind of sitting right here to take it to midnight because I wanted to see a little bit more break of structure off this downtrend here. Like you could potentially take a long here, which wouldn't be a bad idea. Like it's definitely valid. We're still in the first 15 minutes though. Like if we just rock it up to midnight, that's kind of like ES is super bullish.
Is value area high or Asia high, value area high just got taken. I mean, this to me, I'd be looking for, now that we've taken both of these levels, I'd be looking for a little bit of a pullback, maybe down a POC, and then for it to hold there and not break back under. If we could do that, then I would absolutely get long.
Okay. Yeah, just gonna wait for this to shake out a little because it's a little volatile for the open here. We have 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. news.
Yeah, this is
And
like actually one of the first times we're seeing volatility on the bull side. Last week, I feel like we were just selling.
yeah, because it was towards the end of the month, and I think people were just looking to take their profits for the month. Who knows?
Where
Who knows
is
why?
New York is down at 412 right now. 412. Yeah, okay.
What?
I was just seeing where New York is. Yo, I look like a scary scientist right now.
You are a scary scientist.
Because I'm so
What kind
smart.
what kind of experiments you been doing there, Frankenstein?
Asian session experiments blowing my accounts.
Blowing accounts in Asian session. TM, why are you trading gold, my man? Or my girl?
I think it's a guy.
Why do you think it's a guy?
What's your are you red right now? Damn. Oh my goodness. Yeah, chat, what are you guys feeling right now? Are we flat, green, or red? Dare I copy trade my eval to my funded and trade my funded?
Copy trade your evals to your funded and trade your funded? Yeah, I've done that before.
Yeah, just like one needs 3,000 to pass, and the other ones are, they are what they
Well,
are.
it depends if you want to risk sync or if you want to trade them aggressively. If you want to trade the eval aggressively and the other one less aggressively.
Yeah. Zach says flat as fuck. Yeah.
TM, do you only trade gold or you trade also NASDAQ? Or how many assets do you trade? That's a general question for the chat. Well, how many assets do you trade?
424. I think I'm gonna place an order at the New York. A little one.
Okay, so you're in New York. Let's take a look there. No break at the opening range. Oh, you do have. No, you don't. No break. You're taking a mid-range. Taking a mid-range long.
Okay, Mr. Silver.
I'm just breaking it down. You know what I mean?
You're not wrong. I just think that we're gonna probably get a pretty strong reaction off of that and then go higher. But
okay. Yeah, I mean, it lines up with I think you have this fair value gap too. So this down here, so that's below New York. So we're still on the side of this 15-minute, from the opening gap. So, but I don't know. It's super dicey here. Super dicey. Like this is very, I don't know what to do here. I want to be long and I also want to be short. So with that being said, I want to kind of stay flat for now. But if we start trading up here, which is like above that 15-minute gap, then I'll look at to take it to midnight. That's clean traffic. That's a good trade, I think. But you are gonna go long somewhere in here. You have to sit through all this shenanigans.
Something's telling me just with the POC right here, so close to New York, that the POC might be what holds structure, but it might wick New York, So we might get a strong reaction off of that, and that's kind of where my idea is coming from.
You're at previous day's point of control, right? Talking about that?
Yep.
Previous day's point of control.
470. We shall see. I'ma listen.
Yes, NQ and very rarely YM. Zach. Only gold. TM, that's awesome because you only focusing on one pair. That's really good, I think. some people could rock, many assets and they can trade them, but it's not my personality. How about you, Abby? Do you like multiple things or just focusing on one?
Who are we talking to? Me? Are you?
You. I just asked you a question.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I stay away from everything that I possibly can except for NASDAQ. Like, in the event that I might have to trade something else, I feel like it just adds a layer of nerves. There's been times doing so bad, like during the war or whatever, like when all this stuff started in the beginning of the year, that I was just like, I started trading in ES for a second because I was just
you had to like kind of dial it back a little bit, huh? You're like,
yeah. Oh. ES is my safe play. Like if I'm just trying to be mid,
I feel you. I 100% feel you. We don't play mid around here, guys.
We don't wanna,
Yeah. We are upper echelon NASDAQ traders.
All day.
I think we'll get some more shaking here before the 7 a.m. news or 10 a.m. news. I could be totally wrong. We could just moonshot. I don't know. This is an annoying candle, though.
Look at the reaction.
Okay, true.
Like even if we want to go up to like 537.
It's totally you do what you want to do. Like if you wanted to take that mid range off of New York, it's not my play, but
let's see how. Where's the night?
28,668. Dun, dun, dun.
2868. I want to check something. How do I? Topstep.com. Slogan. Yo, combination of PT and BP 157.
Feeling good?
So good. I'm so happy. My back is so much better.
Nice. Yeah. That's the sauce right there, BBC 157 right there. I recommend it to my friend, but he's like,
he'd rather suffer.
Yeah, I don't know. They have such a misconception about peptides.
Yeah. My only one thing here. Okay, I mean we're holding up this little minute gap. Holding up the New York, but I usually take my entries off inversions, and we didn't have any gaps coming down, so it makes it harder for me.
On the 5 minute or 1 minute.
But we do have this.
5 minute is inverted. 5 minute, you have an inversion on the 5 minute.
We also do
inversion.
A little gappity.
Like that could be your line in the sand for the longs. If you wanted to feel inclined to take a long before the news, it's a little dicey. It's kind of dicey. I'm just looking out for you.
Yeah, I know. You are.
You know what I'm saying? But don't let me like hold you back in any way.
Oops, I just made that. Yeah, I mean we could definitely sit here and consolidate for a sec.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, as far as opening range goes, like what I like to see is like trading higher and just making, higher lows off of previous days New York, overnight view up. So if we get above overnight VWAP, start trading above like where my entry is, that's clean up to midnight. But like here is just unpredictable. It's just very, very choppy here. And we're still in a bearish. Still had a high and a lower high, right? So don't have to be anxious to be in anything right now. Just gonna let the market do what it do.
Oh my gosh.
Make it do what it do. I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do. Freaking longs. What's ES doing? Take a look at the ES here. ES is bullish. What?
I want to see like we have how do you I know that you can hold on, let me look at something. So accounts payouts profile. How do you take a payout on the accounts? What's funny? What are you laughing at?
I don't know. I'm laughing at you.
How do you take a payout on Top Step?
All right.
You go to the payout section.
Yeah, so you go to payout section. You should see a account there that's if it's eligible, you'll see an account that's eligible. If it's not, it's not.
I see the payouts that I've already taken.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see anything saying eligible, but I know I am eligible. Unless they like changed up the rules that you need like 5 consecutive days. Because I do see something that shows.
I don't think it's consecutive, no.
Right. That's what I was pretty sure. So, oh, you know what? Okay. Not eligible. You have to maintain 6,000 on the account. That's valid.
What? Maintain 6,000.
You have a profit target in order to take out. So
you have to maintain 6,000.
Well, you just can't hit it and then lose it, like I did.
Yeah.
I already hit it and lost it in the Asia session. So like you basically need to hit it.
You trailed.
And not.
It's trailing. I'll have to look at it off screen after. We're holding P restage point of control.
Mm-hmm.
Want to flip to my screen?
I do think that we're gonna have to like wait till news is done because.
Yeah, I think so too. I think we have to wait for news.
So I'm eligible on all fronts except for the balance. I need 6,000 in the accounts in order to take the payout. Otherwise, these accounts are eligible because I've had 5 winning days of over 200 or whatever it is.
150.
So 150 now on Top Step?
It's always been 150.
Back in my day, it was 200.
Back in your day. Maybe. Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, back like over a year ago. I haven't really paid attention.
I think I remember that too. You had to have like 200 a day or something like that. Yeah, it's weird. Music is coming through to your like external audio, but not through to the internal audio. But that's cool. Sometimes when I'm hearing music in my ears, I can't speak. It's tough for me.
Well, remember, you couldn't hear me because my microphone was muted, so maybe you could just lose the headphones if you wanted to.
Just lose the headphones.
Yeah. And also your audio settings. Hey, you know what you could do? You know what you could do? Crazy concept.
Yo.
Upgrade your system so that you have an Apple computer, and then whenever you have tech issues, I can tell you how to fix them.
Oh my god.
One of those PC things. Those are crazy.
PC and Android for life.
I don't know. Yo, yeah, come on, man. Like,
no, I'm not an NPC that just buys Apple products and just like, I'm not.
It's the functionality of it.
Sure.
It's unfortunate, but it works, Chat.
Hey,
Don't.
to each their own.
Oh,
no Apple, Osman. See, Osman gets it. He's tapped in.
Listen,
he
I don't trust man because he's coming from your YouTube. I mean, he has an answer too.
What is the man? My wife buys Apple everything. See?
You hate it.
Okay, that's funny.
Because you never got on the ship. The functionality's there. The interface is great. Come on. Come on.
No, she's brainwashed.
Listen. I'm not though. Like, here's why I stand with like certain companies. Like, okay.
You loyal.
Samsung is green text too. So ew. But at the same time, it's like Samsung's innovating. They're making better cameras, they're making better devices, they have better storage, like they have innovation, right? I just like when companies innovate. Like their computer systems just do so much better. And like Apple has done that. They continually did that and they took over the industry. So, like Tradeovate. All right, let's talk about Tradeovate. Tradeovate is a load of shit.
Yeah, it's trash.
And then TopStep came along and they made a system that was more user friendly, and I like it. I'm also biased because I started on TopStep.
I think adults, they like coloring books too, so.
Coloring books? Mild roast.
So I put a limit buy. I'm liking the longs now. Coming in.
If I would have put that limit order where I initially said I'd be up like $3,000. Third. I literally said, what, 425 or 424? What an entry that would have been. Right off the New York. I could have TP'd right now. I could have bought that shit too.
It was valid.
What is your...
I just don't like mid-range. I don't know how well you do well with mid-range without any breaks.
What is your... Well, yeah, I mean, it's a lesser chance, but in that situation, I just felt like, all right, POC's here. If we didn't hold the New York, then... Because it's overnight, New York, and the POC. I hold most of my confluence on the POC and the New York, but we also had overnight right there too.
Yeah, it was a good location. Not for nothing. I wanted more evidence.
Where's your entry right now?
I just have been more cautious lately, past few days. I'm not sure why.
Probably because you're doing good, you're on a winning streak, and so your psychology is saying don't give it back.
Yeah, exactly. Because I know my ego can get, pretty overconfident and then like just do dumb things.
Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, you do have to protect your capital, but you also have to make sure you're not... Scared money doesn't make money. You have to make sure that you're not switching up the way that you were originally trading because you're worried about giving it back. Because worried money is what fucks you.
Yeah. And that's the fine line you gotta always like battle against, right?
Psychology. Where's your limit order?
I don't have I don't have an active one. It's just I'm gonna wait for a pullback and then get in long.
Yeah, we could opening range high pullback, or I don't know if we go back down to New York, to be honest.
Yeah, potentially opening range high would line up with previous with overnight VWAP as well, and it would also line up with this 15-minute gap. And I think that would be a good location. We come back there and take it long because ES is super bullish.
I don't see a 15-minute gap anywhere.
15-minute gap. Oh wait, what did I say?
You said 15-minute gap.
I did. Yeah, the 15-minute gap from from the gap fill thingy.
I got you.
Sorry. Okay. Sometimes, you know, guys, it's freaking 6 o'clock in the morning. You know what I mean? 6:50. And I'm not much of a talker. All right.
You are now. We've made you a talker.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Look at it, just going right up to midnight.
I know.
All right, here's the question. In 1 minute, do we get the pop to midnight, or are we going to get the pullback?
Yeah, I think we'll get that pullback. It's going to be very shaky, I think, based on like the opening print here. So we'll see.
I think I'm going to put a little order.
Are you buying in premium or discount?
I think I'm going to put a little order at like 541.
541. Okay. 541. Yeah, I see that.
Like, because if we could get a news candle down there,
might just take midnight before anything.
Yeah.
Might just do what we want. It's okay because we have an abundance of trades that is going to happen. So,
give me a little pullback. Give me a little pullback. Do it.
A little pullback. Can a brother get a pullback?
Did you see that Trump has now a private subscription to his for the firms?
It's crazy.
They're trying to take our jobs.
Literally.
That AI is not going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to take your jobs. I'm going to ruin everything for you. Question is, do we get a pullback to POC 470, which is the New York as well, or do we get a pullback to this little gap?
No 15-minute gap. Let me see. No 5-minute. Yeah, this is my best entry. Is going to be that where we were looking at.
There's an itty bitty one at 571, and then there's a bigger one at the opening range high at 540. I'm like, it almost doesn't look like it's going to get down to 540.
Well, if we create a gap here and this doesn't come back, then I still want to enter in here at this location. But if we get an entry now, I might go in. We're stalking our prey right now. Like that. It's getting quiet. Stalking the prey. What's she moving like? What's she moving like?
Just pick up my orders, you know?
So news is in. News candle is in. Brother, get my price. Can a brother get my price? See what the hourly looks like. We're in a premium. Better long would have been your price, definitely.
Oh, yeah. Down in New York before.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. But see, like this is a healthier looking trade. If we come back down here, like in this general area, like at this 1 minute gap. We come down here into this bad boy. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. That looks healthier than the mid-range long.
Don't go back up. I also have a high a day VWAP on, because if we can't get a pullback and we do respect this teeny gap, that's going to be my long signal.
Okay. Come on, baby.
It's interesting how so much of this does kind of come down to like your time on the charts, because I look at this and I look at this and I'm like, like, you know, why would we get all the way back down to the New York to go up another like 30 points to the midnight if we're going to go to midnight, you know? So I kind of like watch and I'm like, I want to see it respect this gap. That'd be ideal. Midnight to 671.
Take a long here.
671. Yeah, I picked up my orders too, so I am also.
What's your size?
3.
Very good.
Entry 39. Will close if it closes below this gap, though.
Order filled.
I'm in 2.
Order filled.
And I'm taking it to midnight, which is 28668.
Order filled.
Was that you?
20. No, it was you. 20.
What the fuck?
671, I believe.
Just gotta check all my accounts, make sure we're crispy here. Make sure we're crispy, baby. Floating, baby.
Oh yeah.
Sorry for all the babies. But I'm feeling good, chat. Feeling good about this trade.
Yes, we are in it. I used to, when I first got into
Get rid of that. What?
when I first got into trading, I have some stories. So you couldn't, I don't know if you could take the volume off of Top Step back in the day, but I was learning how to trade and I'd be sitting there on FaceTime with Ryan Robarge. We'd be sitting there like from open to like whatever. And I would be trying to get in and out of trades and it would go order filled. And I would be like, fuck. And then it happened. It happened once when I was like actually in tilt by the time I went to my one-on-one call with Evan. So like I saw a trade when I was on my coaching call and I clicked it and it went order filled and I was like, oh no. And then in the notes later it said like shouldn't be trading while on coaching call. I was like, oh no.
Oh my god, I've been there.
So hard because it literally like it blasted me. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
It's so embarrassing when it just goes order filled and you're like, oh no. Caught.
Caught in 4K.
Literally.
That's hilarious. All right, what's ES doing? ES is kind of overextended. Don't like that. Don't like that. Yes, it's kind of overextended.
Where is it?
This candle should have delivered us. It's just taking its time.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Are we late to the party?
Nah.
Nah, right?
Nah.
Nah.
I don't even know what that means.
We are the party. So
We are
how
the
could we be late for it? You know?
Facts.
Fucking.
So here's the thing.
What's the thing?
Everybody talk about, oh, don't look at your P&L. Well, the only thing keeping me from taking a payout is my P&L. So they forced me to look at my P&L.
No.
Ignore it.
No one's forced you to do anything. Just trade and forget about your profits, forget about your P&L, forget about all that stuff, forget about payouts, forget about all that.
Just trade.
Just trade.
Forget about payouts. Yes, that's what I need to do.
I'm being honest. Like,
no, I know. I thought about this like every single day that I messed up my thing in the Asia session. I'm like, man, like I need to just stop. Like stop trading Asia session. It's just not for me. Like,
well, it's not like that. It's not that. I think it's like focusing on the P&L thing.
Nah.
You don't think so?
That's not what I was doing. I was just like, so here, when I started trading, I got into the VWAPs, and sitting in drawdown for 45 to an hour is like,
that's painful.
It is. I like price action to be very regular. Just do your thing, do what you're supposed to do. When it starts spiking up and down in one candle like 50 points, it really just
it's very nerve-wracking. I understand.
Like right now is actually kind of giving Asia session price action. It's like
it is.
All of a sudden it'll just go.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be patient on this trade.
Yeah, same.
Looking good.
Let's see where that high a day is too. We're gonna get a break.
Targeting previous day's high. That's why he wanted to. Yeah, because Osman, that's an external liquidity. This midnight price is internal liquidity. So I always target internal liquidity because it's a higher probability target than external liquidity.
That part.
Does that make sense? Yes, it's still bussing. Yes, it's bussing. But little nasty Nas needs to do what it's supposed to. Yeah, it makes perfect sense. I'm glad. I am glad. So I do see this as low resistance liquidity.
You know what? I've never paid attention to, but I'm curious. Midnight on ES is below, right?
Ugh, don't even tell me about ES right now. Let me see. Yeah, ES. It already engaged midnight, and it held it as support.
Okay.
And this is sexy right here. Like I would take that long, all day.
Yeah. Okay. I feel better. Low hanging fruit, y'all could pull at 6:30 at the highs, but
yeah, that could be the low hanging fruit is the high day.
Yeah, we're not creating gaps going up on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Does not having your headphones in help?
Well, I don't hear any music.
Because it was very low to begin with. It was.
But now it's not no music at all.
No, there's music.
Oh yeah, I don't hear it, but it is. It's fine.
Yes.
It's fine.
It is. It is. Okay. Okay. I feel better. Lo-hanging fruit, y'all could pull at 6:30 at the highs, but yeah, we're not creating gaps going up on the 1 minute. Does not having your headphones in help? Because it was very low to begin with. It was.
Oh yeah, I don't hear it, but it is. It's fine. I did like the little ASMR effect that I was getting, but it's fine.
An ASMR effect.
Why is low resting LRLR? I thought it was a HRLR. I'm not sure what that acronym stands for, Osman. LR, low. Do you know what that is?
Low resistance, low
Yeah.
radiation.
What did you say?
Low resistance, low radiation. I don't know.
That's the California acronym right there.
Liquidity run and high resistance liquidity run. Oh, okay.
High resistance liquidity. High resistance liquidity. I don't know, but this shit is annoying me.
Yeah, what is this? What are we doing?
Kind of annoying me.
Are we?
Kind of annoying me.
What levels are right here? We got.
It's kind of annoying me because, NASDAQ has been more bearish than ES lately.
Yeah, let's see if it holds up above the VWAP, because that's something I'd be looking for.
This could be very annoying, guys. Let's see.
Let's see. We
Okay,
have.
candle's gonna close in 6 seconds here, 15 minute.
That's not looking like a great one to me.
Yeah.
It's just one of those days, isn't it?
Could be.
Like price
Just
action.
get a strong move up here, and then we're looking for more juice. But I don't know. It gave me a little bit of anxiety. Just the way it's moving, it's kind of.
Yeah, you know how when it starts to move and it's like just a little bit, like it's either going up or it's going down, and it's gonna move quick. So I think what's more likely, I feel like more likely is up, but could just be one of those days that it wants to seek and destroy.
Oh, we wouldn't like that. We would not like that.
669.
I think what's giving me anxiety is my Wassel.
Why?
I don't know.
We're getting a.
I don't know. I think just I'm just more cautious right now. I don't know why. I think I'm just in capital preservation mode, kind of, instead of just kind of letting things play out. So that's kind of why I'm talking things out, and why on stream too is to just talk things out.
Yeah, just chill. Just chill.
Just chill. That's all I need to hear. Bless you.
Get the hiccup.
Man.
See, that was like such a
nice reaction. That's a good reaction. We like that.
Yeah, and that's a good break. Whether or not we want to take these highs, though, that's going to tell me what I need to know.
It's another word for trading during an accumulation cycle. Low resistance, high resistance. I don't know.
Low resistance liquidity run. Low resistance liquidity run and high resistance liquidity run. Like you're saying when it's sitting here, like creating a wedge or something. Like it's sitting here consolidating and then it either, is that what we're talking about?
Maybe I don't know. It could be like, I'm not sure. I'd have to look it up. I don't want to sound uneducated on it.
I'm only part. Okay. This could be setting up. This could be setting up nicely.
For what?
Um,
RTP?
like if you're not already in for an entry. If you were on.
Are you talking about high day type stuff?
I'm talking
High day
about
one?
we weren't really forming any type of gaps on the way up. Now we are. So if we want to hold and like if if you weren't in,
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the line in the sand, you mean? I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying.
all right, there's the highs. Just give us the pump up there. Don't go pull back and fiddle around.
Yeah, just like deliver to our target. That's all we want.
Just
like we broke high of day.
pay us to play. Pay
Mhm.
for
Pay
our
the trader.
play.
Pay the trader. Pay the trader. Look at you with your little 3 contracts. Holding
It's
like
fine.
a boss.
I added to it. When it came back down,
Damn, you didn't say nothing.
I'm sorry. When we came back down, I added, but it ruined my entry. My entry's now at like 571.
Sick add-in though, like top tier goat status.
Yeah, I was like, either we're gonna take a little L or we're.
See, you're more in that mode. That's why I need you right now, because you're more in that mode.
I'll tell you next time.
You're just like aggressive.
Like my original entry was at like 5. What did I say earlier?
Okay, we took high day, so okay, yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
I know. About to hit TP chat. About to hit TP chat. About to hit TP chat.
Where's your TP?
My TP is 657. Why is my TP there? Okay, let me bring it up a little bit.
671 is midnight.
671. Okay, 671 it is. 671. I will put it to 671 on all my accounts.
671 is midnight. Right above 699 is Asia session highs, and right above that is 725 is yesterday's high of day. So we will probably take all of those, and I have my TP at yesterday's high day, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to pull early. If it looks like it's going to pull back for a second.
It could very well take previous day's high. I'm just taking my low-hanging fruit.
28.828.
I'm just taking my piece of the pie, because that's what helps with my consistency, is taking that. We stalked it. It's not over yet, but we were patient. We stalked it. Abby had a good read, like mid-range, and then she added in when she felt conviction on the trade, and it was just it was great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are very welcome.
671, 699, 625. 671. We are about to engage that. And we have 699. And then 625. Sorry, I'm marking my levels. So, yeah, we're getting like a teeny tiny little resistance here. So we're definitely gonna
7 minutes left on the candle. 15
definitely
minutes.
gonna pop.
Just need that TP to hit. Need that TP to hit.
What do we got on the 5 minute?
Patient here for my TP to hit. Patient here when my TP hits.
I don't even want to know how much this trade would have been if I got in at the New York.
Yeah, I mean, you can't think like that.
I would have taken a payout. Guys,
You're gonna take a payout regardless.
You're not wrong.
I
mean, I'm up like $1,000 right now, and like floating, not yet.
Full out.
You're out?
Order
Yeah, full out. I didn't want to get edged. All right, so our P&L on the day. Let's take a look. Didn't want to get edged, guys, but it's all good. Probably a hit TP, but whatever. 414.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Plus 289. Plus 289.
I want to see a pop and run.
$2,000 on the day. $2,000 on the day. Not too shabby.
Nice. All right, there's midnight. Now just run. Just fucking run. Go take yesterday's high. Do it.
Zach, you saw me breathing deep and shit. I was like,
come on, maybe go.
I don't know why I closed earlier. I freaking I'm just super cautious. I don't know why. I just need to
Okay.
You know,
it's okay to be that way. 100%.
Yeah, but I want to be more free flow. I think it's a ebb and flow, right? It's time to tighten up, time to loosen up. It's like a wave.
I get that. Totally get that. I'm trailing.
Look at our entry.
Handle.
Sexy entry guy. That was professional.
Here, I'm gonna switch over to my screen real quick. Okay, we just got taken out. All right, we're up $1,200 in the funded, so
let's go.
Not about it. So here's the next levels. We have Asia highs. I just feel like we yesterday's highs and Asia highs. I feel like we're gonna come back down here, and this will be another good entry to take it up to that. Like right here would be the little gippy gap.
Little gibbity gap.
And then we go up to the yesterday's. See, what I was thinking though is that we may just have popped and take all three because they're all so close together.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah. All right. W's in the chat. Dubs. Now, we came into this, and 100% of you guys said bearish today.
They did?
Silly. Yeah, I dropped a poll this morning.
Silly rabbits.
Silly rabbits. We're definitely draining it.
Yeah, I wouldn't be looking for anything more than... Look at our exit. Look at my exit. Oh my god. The midnight exit.
What did you end up exiting at?
My price, like right here, like literally like a tick
I
before.
I trailed and I think I was at like 661. Like
You
that's
can see
what
it
I
in your
ended.
orders thing. Let me see. Let me. You want to go toe for toe on that?
I think we probably exited around the same area.
Yeah, probably. Oh, because you trailed, right?
Yeah.
I exited at 28,653.25. 653.25. Yeah, not too far away. It's all good. Waiting for another pullback for longs. I think we worked the longs pretty good here today. Like, we had a couple opportunities to participate. I'm not sure if we'll get another pullback. We could get into this 1 minute where it might come.
Yeah.
Let's see where New York would be. Would New York be there? If we, I mean, potential. Good job. Good job. So you made 1,200 each account.
I just risked like $200 to try to short down to this minute gap, but it's not ready to go yet. So I'm up 1,000 on all my fundeds.
All right. So why did you do that?
Why did I do that? Because that's actually one of my favorite things to do. Call the tops, you know? Like, it just like literally is. Here, let me see. I'll show you. When we swept, wait, where's my screen? We'll share this one. When we swept this area, right, which is midnight, and then we got this rejection candle, I got short, I think like right here-ish, and then I put my stop at the TPs, or stop at the highs, and I was just looking for the move to come back down here, right? So it probably will. And then that's a good long signal. But like those, I love those trades. I take those all the time.
Okay. Worked out well for you there.
It's like we took a level. Sometimes, hey, listen, sometimes it's the early. Leave me alone.
Just giving you shit.
Oh shit, I just stopped sharing screen. Oops, we're back to you.
So what I like to take is a retest of midnight as a area of support now that we've broken above, and looking to maybe target this high, but it's just not enough meat on the bone there for me. So I want to see what happens here at midnight. Take this off. It's pretty dope that I freaking projected that and it happened, and it's just like, oh, it feels so good, man. So good. But you're mid-range long. You
How
were
many
down.
indicators do you have?
Down. You were down here. What?
How many indicators do you have? You like 60?
Yes, I have 60. It's pretty dope.
You got the
This is all sauce right here. This is.
I'm wondering if we could pop to this Asia highs or
Asia highs?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what am I doing? All right, so yeah, just not enough meat on the bone for me. I mean, we could still make a lower high here and then come down. Yeah, this is super giga bullish. Potentially could just take out. Yeah, it looks like it wants to take it. This is like a very low quality trade, but there's a probability it will hit. Taking it long from here. I had a dream that you something in my dream, like you were vaping. Did you ever
Ew.
vape?
No. No. Definitely not a vapor.
Good. I don't know. I had like a thing. I don't know what it was. Weird. A vision. I was like, what the vaping?
No way. No way, Jose.
Who's Jose?
Do we get the pop?
Also, this is NFP week too. I think that's what made me a little sketched out too. Just a little bit more cautious on NFP weeks. So yeah, we want to go over the news for the week. See if I could share that.
So you just at the top of your screen, it tells you if you want to like share this tab or whatever, and you can do that every time. Just pop over, beep beep beep. Do you know?
No, I don't.
We may or may not have scalping these highs right now. Ah, fuck. Okay.
Abby.
Did you want to share your screen or no?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it, but
Oh, it's us.
whoops.
I'll stay on mine. See,
Brain fart. Never mind.
had I not choked out my little momentum scalp, it would have TP'd. Oh.
What are you doing over there?
Absolutely nothing. I'm not in anything.
So, Osman, I think you got your fill there, buddy.
Yesterday's highs are up next, 724.
Yesterday's highs are taken. My bot is going crazy. Let's see what the PNL on the bot is today.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's $200 away from passing.
What is?
My bot.
Oh, nice.
$200 away from passing. Let's go.
Is
About to
that
have autopilot money.
your combine thing or something?
It's a eval from Lucid, and I put a bot on there, and it's about $200 away from passing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love that activity.
Nice job, Osman. Nice job, my man. Okay, so potential upside targets now. Let me get rid of this crap.
724, we got yesterday's highs. Then we got up at like 8 something. We got that 4-hour gap.
That 4-hour unmitigated, yeah. I want to see a reaction off that and then continue selling. Like, I don't want this thing to go up. Am I evil?
Keep going up.
I think I might be evil. Share my screen real quick.
Got you.
Yeah, so this 4-hour gap, we've been wanting to engage this for like the longest time, just hasn't been able to like tap it like here, here. So I'm wondering if we can finally get the steam to tap into it. Because I still see this as a, you know, an area for shorts to come in. Like in this optimal trade entry zone. So if this 4-hour gap can hold and we can come down lower, I'm not convinced of this pump up, like to give me a full-blown reversal. I think we're still bearish. Yeah.
I just went back to chat. I saw Zach's comment. Abby has stainless steel balls.
Shit.
I'm done.
Sometimes I wonder.
Yeah. Well, see, I won't even start. I'm gonna keep these things to myself real quick. All right. To 724. Let's go. All right, we're back up 1,200 in all the accounts.
You're doing sneaky stuff.
I wish I didn't let go of that. If I didn't have my TP set up. But all right, now that we've engaged all three of those levels, which made sense, I said this in the beginning, like they're all so close that it had to take it and I shouldn't have choked it out. Now I think we pull back to that little area down here. Now we probably get some sort of, what if we just run that gap, 826?
This is what I want to happen. So this is creating a 15-minute gap here.
Yep.
And if we close like in this area, I want us to come back into this fair value gap, which is in line with midnight, and probably I think opening range high too, right? Something like that. It could be, maybe. No, it's not. It's way above. So yeah, I want to see
100 points from this 4-hour gap.
And then take it long to hive day. What'd you say?
We are 100 points from this 4-hour gap.
100 points.
I would like to see it come back down, but we may not get it. All right, that's so totally manageable. I can do it. I can do it.
So what did you do in the PT?
Physical therapy? Yeah. I just get adjusted and get my I just sit there.
Did you do the traction thing?
Yes. Yes.
Nice. That felt really good.
Yeah, that's a game changer.
Yeah.
The first day I did it, I was in so much pain. I was like, I cannot walk, not stand up. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I had to lay down for a bit and they put me on this little roller thing. And I was like, nah, guys, like, I can't walk. But
yeah, it was maybe too much.
Well,
they probably overdid it.
No, they like, I kept telling them to turn it up, so maybe.
That's how I was. I'm like, turn
I
it up.
I don't feel it. I was lying. I felt it. It felt good. An inversion of this little minute gap, I would be willing to scalp down to this next minute gap.
Gosh, she's smoking crack.
I don't smoke.
Just kidding. I don't like it. I don't like fading. I'm not gonna fade that. Just run out. You're looking to short?
Yeah, but like, you know, it would
I
be
get it.
invalidated at the highs. Like these are the best trades to me because
What are the best trades? The ones that you're like super scalpy?
like we just took all of the levels, right?
Right.
Definitely have room to the upside, but we took all the levels. We get an inversion, and
Okay,
then
valid.
that inversion down to the next gap.
Yeah,
And
valid.
so your RR is like,
I
your
understand.
risk is right at the highs, so you're not
Yeah.
really risking anything.
I understand what you're saying now. I just had to be. You had to explain it.
Like it didn't work out last one because we hadn't truly taken.
The problem is that the areas. I mean, this is like kind of weak. Like even though this is a liquidity area, this previous days, even these previous days highs.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's just. Let me see what ES is doing. ES is just moseying up.
Like even a pullback to midnight, like.
Mm.
See what other music we can
I
get.
probably wouldn't do a reversion play. I would probably do a continuation play here. That's just me. Like, it might be short-lived if we have a reversion play. Had a great trade there.
Something happened. Your audio. You sound a little underwater. Did you do something?
Testing.
Oh, you're back. You're fine.
All right, so we made that 15-minute gap. Like Abby was saying, we did kind of sweep out these areas. Now we took out those areas. Midnight, previous day's high. Like a reversion back to the 15-minute gap. Is that what you're saying? Back to midnight? It's tough because I don't want to fade it, I don't want to fade this right now.
You don't have to fade it.
What? You saying you want to do it?
You don't have to trade that.
What are you saying?
I'm nothing. I'm literally just saying you don't have to do it.
You're implying that you can though.
I mean, I'm gonna do it.
You're so funny.
Like,
Good luck.
thank you. Like, this is perfect. Test it one more time and sell off. That's all I mean. Little
Phew.
Because really, all we're risking is like $200.
Okay.
Now,
What did you say?
I said now. Like that little minute gap is holding up though.
So I'm saying I would not fade that.
Listen here, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
I'll be taken out at the highs, which would be totally valid.
Everyone trades like totally unique to them. I don't judge anyone, or I don't,
You hear that, Todd? He's not judgmental.
No.
Got a good guy over there.
Just silently. Actually, I'm really not judgmental. I've worked a lot on that. So
I think one of my traits is
I just
judgment.
accept you're a judgmental person.
I'm judgmental, but I have very high empathy.
Yeah, same.
So I definitely see both sides of situations. Like I'll tap into somebody else's emotions before.
Yeah, same.
I'll judge it first, but then when I think about it, I'm like, no, can't judge over that.
Yeah, and then you kind of put yourself in that shit, because that's what I did with you this morning. Actually, I was like, "The fuck? Why is she? Why did she say that?"
Wait, what did I?
And then, because you're like, "Oh, rough Monday." I was just like, "Why?" I was like, because I had no empathy for you. I was just like, "Why can't you just, have that, just wake up on time or whatever?" And then
Okay.
I felt sympathy or empathy for you, so I was like, okay.
Man, no, I woke up and I was like, oh, Mondays.
No Mondays.
What just happened to my computer? Stupid. Literally, what just happened to my computer? Playing with me. Okay, hold on. So, why does my right monitor just decide to tweak out?
Hello, Manashiva. What up? What up? What up?
Okay. Is it my mouse? Did my mouse die? Are you good?
We're good. We're good. Counter trading. Yeah, I know. She's a wild card. No, we do counter trades all the time. Can you put my screen up?
I can't do anything right now.
Oh.
Hold on. What is going on?
We'll be right back, chat.
Yeah, I got you. I'm going to have to leave you on the screen because I need to do whatever this is because something happened.
So I'll just keep it on here.
Yeah, I think something.
This is what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for retest of this 15-minute gap, which is right around midnight price, and we're going to take it to this 4-hour gap. Looks like we're wanting to go there without a pullback, but I do think that we'll come back here.
Wow, okay. I wonder if I can restart my computer real quick.
You gonna restart?
I might have to.
Restart and join.
Let me just close some windows and see if that'll do anything for me.
This 15-minute gap held overnight. Yeah, buyers are in, guys. Buyers are in.
Oh, hi. Okay, something's happened, and I do think that I need to restart because I wonder if I get out, will it allow you to stay in?
If you got out of this call?
Yeah. Freaking weird. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Okay. I'm just wondering. All right. I'm gonna X out of this real quick. I will BRB. Hopefully it doesn't shut the stream down. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just
cool. No worries. No worries. Yeah, guys, looks like we're heading back up to that 4-hour gap that's unmitigated. Looks like this wants to be engaged. I want to see what kind of reaction happens here. Yeah, we'd have been cooking if we stayed long, guys. But we take the low-hanging fruit. It's no big deal. I feel kind of sad that I didn't trail my stop loss in 5 minutes, but I was considering higher time frame trend as a bearish, so I wanted to take my profit early. I'm with you there, Osman. Sometimes, like right now, I feel like stupid, or not stupid, but I feel that same emotion of like FOMO or missing out. But I have to zoom out and see the big picture. What's the big picture here? I'm green on the day. It's a good amount of profit. All my targets have been met. Internal liquidity, you know. So that's, yeah, the FOMO, those things, you have to just believe, like, understand that there's always going to be another opportunity. Always, 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 always. And if you have that, oh, yo, what up? I was just preaching over here.
He's right. There's always going to be an opportunity.
All right, I'll give you. You want me to? Do you want me to do gold, TM? I know you like gold. All right, so let's hop over to gold. Let's hop over to gold. Something I don't trade at all. It looks like absolute crap. Excuse me. But this looks like crap. I would not touch this with a 10-foot pole. No way.
This draw, go
Like,
crazy.
this is not even, like, even if I traded this all the time, nah. Nah. I mean, if you want to play the range, you're at the bottom of the range. You can take these equal highs. These are equal highs right here. You could play this range. You could have a cheap long here. That's my trade idea for gold. Like, internal liquidity, not looking for a new high there. This is my trade idea, but I don't like it. Yeah, ranging, exactly. That's my trade idea. How about that? What were you saying, Ab?
Oh, we're just like heading right up into this gap.
Yeah, we've been wanting that gap for a minute. We've been wanting that gap.
I kind of knew that we were not
You knew?
really yet.
Why didn't you tell me, you wise wizard?
I did. Scroll back a couple minutes. I literally.
You did. I didn't listen.
I was like, I almost feel like we're not even gonna get a pullback. We're just gonna go straight to the gap.
Mm-hmm. So I want to see a reaction here, something, some kind of bearish action. If we run past it and completely mitigate it, then sells are off the table for now.
Sells are off the table or on the table?
Off. Like if we come and trade like this, mitigate that 4 hour, this thing could be just be giga bullish. Or we find a reaction here and we trade lower. This is what I like to see happen, is trading lower, but she did say there are draws above. Yeah, she did say that. I went for low-hanging fruit.
I'm talking about just this 4 hour above us. Halfway points, let's say like 8.
Yeah, 50% is 860 there, 859, 860.
Yeah. I have my eval too that I could.
You have what?
My eval too that I could throw some stuff on.
Throw some cones on it.
Like,
guys, shout out the stream. We do this ish.
We do this ish.
Shout out the stream. Ooh, a splash house happening right now. You ever been to Splash House?
Nah, what is that? Is that Vegas?
Nah, it's here in Palm Springs. It's like a few days of. Do you do festivals, or do you like that kind of stuff?
No.
Never.
I went to Coachella a couple times.
Yeah, Coachella. Yeah, you gotta do Coachella once in your life.
I did it a couple times.
Yeah, we all did.
Somebody invited me to Coachella when I was like early 20s, probably like 22, 23. And it was fun. And then I had friends that would perform there, and I got a whole different version of fun because obviously artist passes, you could go on stage with anyone, pretty much anyone. And so I experienced them in a different way, and it kind of took the fun out of general admission.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure you partied like a rock star.
Like, yeah. Party like a rock star.
Remember that song?
I actually loved that song when I was a kid.
that was the hype song back in the day.
That really was like such a song.
And then you crank that Soldier Boy while you're at it.
Watch me, you.
You give me the vibe that you would be that white girl that's just like blasting hip hop in her car. That's you.
You're not wrong.
Uh,
Okay, that was like the thing is with music is it cycles through genres. So I was the pop princess. No. I was the pop punk went pop, went hip hop because and then went EDM, because that was what was hot,
Yeah, I know. We all had phases, right?
Like the music industry cycles genres every few years. You get a new genre.
Yeah, exactly. Like when I was a kid, I was in a band. I was a drummer, and we played like punk rock. That was like the thing, like Blink-182.
Oh yeah, I was in a band and I covered Blink-182.
You did? That's funny.
Yeah.
You're obviously the singer, right?
Yeah. Avril Lavigne, Blink. What was really funny was me singing Blink-182 songs.
Yeah, I was about to say.
A Day to Remember. Like oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, come on. What are we gonna do? We're either gonna go up or we're gonna go down.
So yeah, we're at that 4-hour gap, unmitigated gap. Don't want to fade the trend. Do not want to fade the trend at all. So yeah.
Never fade trend.
Only if it's super 6A. Otherwise, nah. Okay. BRB.
See ya. Love the BRB tips. My question. Do we go tap this gap or do we pull back a little bit? That's the question. We might get a little pullback. That could be cool. Oh, you know what? Valid. Oh, valid. I just did that. Guys, I just did that. Archon's gonna kill me. What's up, Tails? I cannot believe that I just did that. See, this is the problem with wrist syncing. You gotta pay attention to which account you're on. Shit.
Did you miss me?
Totally.
All right.
Listen, I just did something.
Oh my God. I can't leave her alone for 2 minutes, guys.
I know, I just did something.
I can't leave her alone for 2 minutes. What's going on?
I had wrist syncing is where you have like a set of accounts that's maybe funded and a set of accounts that's not, or maybe it's other ones and you take trades differently. So I thought I was on my combine and I was gonna just aggressive scalp this down, like to the downside. I did it on my funded and gave back a bunch of profits. Why am I like this? This is why I don't have coffee in the morning.
We gotta have a little coaching call after this.
I knew I was gonna get in trouble. You roll it back a couple seconds. I was like, I'm gonna get in trouble.
We have to discipline her, guys.
I did. I really did that. Like, I'm cooked, chat. I am cooked. We're getting that movement. Where
I
are we
know.
going?
I gotta literally chat. Like, what do I gotta do?
Said never leave again. Lock her out. Oh no.
We gotta tie her up. Look into the chair.
I fully, yeah, I mean, I fully feel stupid for that. Like, and it wasn't something light either. I put 25 contracts on because I thought it was my eval. So, moral of the story, cooked chat. I am cooked.
I mean, do you want to talk about it now or we can wait? Huh?
No, I'm going to cry about it later.
Okay.
Like, we had such a good trade, and I just went and screwed myself. I was up $1,200. Like, who the... Sorry, I'll be fine. We'll make it back.
Yeah, this is what happens in trading, guys. You know, you have to know when to stop. Like, you can make money. You can make money all day, but
I feel left out without the account. What are you talking about? Did you not get it yet? You shouldn't have gave me the wrong email. It's your fault. Trying to get that account over because it was sent but to the wrong email. So I will circle back with them again.
Nice reaction off this 4 hour, but I'm not fading anything here. Like I said, you have 15-minute gaps being created. You do have like it could sell off. Like, I understand your logic there, but it's just difficult to know when it would have done it, because even in this 4 hour gap, you still have a lot of room. Let's go over here. Yeah. Can you explain where you are seeing the gray box above? Yeah, absolutely. So this is a 4 hour bearish gap that I have marked off. So it's, you know, basically, if you don't know how to draw the fair value gaps, it's from this low right here, this wick to this wick. It's a 3 candle pattern with a gap in between. So I just measure out the gap in between and we look for trades off of that. What up, Sakuna? What up, Sakuna? How's the boy? By the way, which account is that? I'm still confused. CFD or this is a futures account. I'm going to trade futures. American who trades futures. So if you're trading CFDs, prices will be different. Consistency always holds me back for holding any trades. Consistency always holds me back for holding any trades. Can you explain that a little bit more, Sakuna?
Consistency rules. You just got to get a prop firm that doesn't have consistency rules.
Oh, consistency rules. That means zone consistency.
Yeah.
Consistency rules.
I got long in this 5 minute gap.
Okay. She's long in that 5-minute gap, guys. This is what she's doing right here.
Yeah, I'm just looking for that 824, like right in the beginning of the gap.
All right. Consistency always holds me back for holding any trade. Oh, I see. That's why you gotta just trade your personal account, man. Have a personal account. Have your other shenanigan accounts. It's good, you know. Consistency is good. It's gonna help you from doing over trading, like how you might get sucked into.
Valid.
I just would be cautious here with these longs, Abby, because you're in
It would be
premium.
invalidated if it closed below this 5-minute because there's no more below us. You know, like we didn't create any. This is like the
Yeah.
thing of
Yeah.
alone is try to buy select. There's no consistency after funded. Yeah. I mean, Top Step doesn't have it either, but I don't know if Top Step is a thing in your country. I think you're India, right? Do we go up into that?
It's just tough because you bought in premium and after a strong run up and we're at that 4-hour gap. It's tough to squeeze anything else out of that.
I mean, is it though? Because
I don't know. I've been wrong against your analysis, so don't listen to me.
what'd you say?
I said I've been wrong against your analysis earlier, so.
You weren't wrong. We had the same idea. I feel like we just had different expectations of it.
I think it's okay. I think your trade's okay. Because this 5-minute opened up without a wick, so that's probably gonna get taken out. Even if this does come down here and sweep out a little bit more liquidity, I think you still might be okay for the longs to come in. What's your price?
It's sitting at my price, 65.
So it's a good area.
Yeah, it's about a third way into that gap. So, like, I would, if it closed below the gap, then it's like, all right, it's worth closing.
Yeah,
the
then you have that inversion. Then you'll have an inversion at the 4-hour gap, so you'll have like more of a confluence for the shorts to come back to midnight, right? Yeah. If this inverts 5-minute, you can quickly switch your bias to come for midnight. Top Step is lit, guys. I like Top Step.
Yeah. They're like not my favorite people, but they're an easy-ish firm to trade with.
Yeah. I'm even thinking about opening up a Top Step brokerage account too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they have all these risk settings that help you from, blowing your account. So
doesn't the inside system look like this, like the way that Top Step looks in futures?
Say to who? What?
Like their system for trading, doesn't it look like it's like Project X, right?
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same exact thing. They use Project X.
That's what may stray me away from ever using the program because
I like Top Step X.
I don't, only because there's too many things that they've implemented to mess with the psychology of people. So like the colors, the way that they have everything set up, it's like
you could change the colors. I don't know. Yeah, it could be more gamified.
Colors are changed, they're purple, but there's still parts of it that you can't change, and I just don't like it. I wouldn't want to risk my actual capital trading on a system like this.
Yeah, I hear you. That's
When
why I
I
just use TradeStation and just trade on TradingView.
Yeah, when I use Thinkorswim, I just feel like a lot more better because it doesn't. It's just so plain Jane.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I never used it. I think you're good here. Clay? Oh, yeah, we have to get Clay on one day. But I don't know, like we may need to get more people in the chat and like, we might need to grow this a
We
little
have
bit more.
40 viewers right now. That's not bad.
Huh?
We have 40 people right now. It's not bad.
Oh, I don't even know that. What up? What up, guys?
22 of you guys from my X account. You guys are fire.
For me,
I think
nobody?
that would be from my X account. All right, market athlete. Let's talk about the gym. What's your motivation? If you ever wake up and you're like, I just don't want to go, like, how do you get yourself in the gym?
So what I focus on is like not so much motivation. It's more like establishing habits. For me, I think what makes you a consistently profitable trader is your habits. And I just realized that, working out is a has a positive expectancy for my edge. When I come here to perform, I have a clear head, and that's my reason why I go to the gym. Just like, with motivation, you got to have like your why. Why do you do things? You can only get so far with, temporary motivation or someone encouraging you. You need to have a deep rooted why or some kind of emotional thing that anchors you to going every single day, or even showing up to do streams, or even showing up to trade. It's like, why are you doing that? So that's what I focus on, and instead of like motivation, it's like,
Good answer.
what is my why?
So next
Well,
time I wake up on a Monday and I'm just like, why?
Not only that, like,
Myself, why?
I don't know, like, I don't know how your weekend went. Like, what did you like? I don't know.
I
Like,
did have a
your
pretty-
previous day sets up for your following day.
I had a good night, but my weekend was a little hectic. I like went out, made a bunch of new friends, and was just so exhausted socially after.
Mm-hmm.
Chop City looks a lot better on the 5 minute than it does the 1 minute, but give it to us.
5 minute held. It looks good.
I definitely gonna get Clay on like this week. I don't know exactly when, but this week or next week. We kind of lagged getting stuff done over the
Oh, we
weekend.
have to like make our thing more official here.
Yeah.
We
We need to
should.
be official.
We'll talk about it in a little bit.
Today is not the day. Now I gotta get off here and I gotta go to my PT.
Okay.
But I'm free in the afternoon. I will be locking, when I get off stream, I will be locking my account so I don't even think about trading Asia.
All right.
I just feel like we have to go up here, right? It's not gonna like fix out.
Okay, guys. Time is it? 8:30. Time you want to hop off?
Like we could do like 8:30.
Okay.
It's almost 8:30. Like I don't really think much more is gonna happen. We will definitely tap into this gap. I do think that we reject out of it, to be honest, but they ain't no telling.
4 hour.
Yeah. I just think we had more downside, and I
Yeah, I
suppose
think she's in
Abby
profit.
is in profit now. Yeah, it
Mhm.
is.
She's in profit.
It is, but I might just close it because we're about to end the stream and lock myself out before I get off stream so I don't make any stupid decisions. If you know, you know.
Yeah, man. We're all we have is our freaking habits and decisions, and that's what gives our results. So you're just a combination of all your habits. If you're figuring out like what's going on in my life, like why can't I get results? It's because of your habits. Look at your habits.
It's your habits. Your habits. Yeah, because like, what was I up? I was like up $1,200, and
Yeah, like that's a habit that prevents you from yeah. So you really need to look into that.
well, that wasn't a habit. That's definitely not a habit. Pulling up the wrong account and being sized like eval style. That was just a mistake, but it happens.
So is it really slow there in the wintertime?
Where?
By the beach, Laguna, all that. Newport.
I mean, it's really nice living over here because you know how in the middle of the winter you just get those 70, 80 degree days.
Yeah. Well, over here it's like
be-
like best weather in the world.
Yeah, no one will be on no one will be at the beaches.
Nobody.
You could just pull up and like it's all yours. So that's really nice. It's definitely a different vibe for sure.
It's just so hard to build good habits and so easy to abandon them. I'm dreading journaling the last 2 weeks. I understand. I understand because I've been in that situation too. Like, but I think what happened for me with like solidifying habits is, you got to push yourself to, want to change is one thing. You have to be willing to want to change. That's number one. And then number two is, you doing the whole why thing, like asking yourself why, like, why do I want to implement these new habits, or, what is the reasoning for it? It's for my, longevity of my profession here. Like I'm trying to do this in a professional way, and I'm trying to replace my income and all that. So what's more important, like that reasoning or the itch or the feeling of wanting to do something when you're feeling uncomfortable?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Well said. Like getting the impulse decision to do something when you just shouldn't do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like fighting that every time builds that muscle. So once you fight that urge, you build that muscle. And that's why trading takes such a long time, because people's muscle building is, weak, or they don't work on it. They don't actively like think about, restraining themselves, or they don't want to, because it doesn't feel good to do that. It feels good to satisfy an itch.
Valid.
And that's where the slippery slope comes in, where you're doing stupid things.
Mm-hmm.
And I've just been there so many times that like I don't need to be doing that anymore, because I've just learned that lesson so many times.
How long have you been trading? I forgot, like a couple of years, right?
No, I've been trading since 2017.
Yeah, it's a while.
Longer than a couple of years.
2017. What are we, 20? Oh, that's like years. Is it 2026? Oh, yeah, like 10 years, 9 years. Yeah. It's always been like something you do on the side, right?
Say again?
It's always been something you do on the side.
Yeah, it's always been something I do on the side. It's never been, and telling people about it, they were like, what's going on with it? And then I finally told people like, oh, I hit a $8,000 month, and it just didn't bring me any satisfaction at all. It brought me no satisfaction. And I don't even feel it. I don't even care. Like,
We felt the satisfaction for you.
huh?
I said we felt the satisfaction for you.
Yeah, you did, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're
you were
happy.
hype. You were hype. I appreciate you.
Yeah. Everybody was happy for you. I saw the comments.
Yeah, mad people.
Everybody's happy then. It's good job.
But I guess that's like something I maybe like I want to push myself more maybe this month. But I have to just be careful because that could be like ego driven.
I don't think that you have to push yourself as much as you just have to stay consistent with what you're doing and then stack accounts like you're already doing. How many
Yeah.
accounts were you taking payouts off of with Top Step?
How many accounts?
Yeah,
Just one.
exactly. Now you have 5. So I don't think you need to push yourself and you need to continue doing exactly what you were doing before.
Yeah.
Don't play it too safe. Just trade normal.
Yeah.
And now you have 5 accounts. So the whole system of Propfirms is that like you don't need to push the gas at all. You just need to stack the accounts.
True.
And your 5
You're right about
accounts,
that.
one account.
So how many you got right now? 2, 3?
I have 2 funded, and I have
Mhm.
one that
Yeah.
is slightly above halfway. Yeah.
I want to like go into your stats or whatever. Do you want to do that here or do you want to do it off camera?
My stats?
Yeah.
I wonder what, like, let me see. Let me see what's on my dashboard.
I'm trying to get under the hood.
My stats, like my win rates, my average wins and loses. My eval. Ooh. Not great, but not bad. My average losing on my eval is $12 and my average win is 157.
That's pretty good.
62% win rate. It's not bad. If I wasn't getting in and out of it, it probably wouldn't be as.
Let me see where mine is. Let's take a look at mine, guys. Let me flex.
Flex it up.
3.61 profit factor. Hold on, I gotta show this to the chat. I gotta show it. Let me put my other screen.
It's 826.
Y'all see that?
I got you. It's up.
So yeah, this is my stats for the big dog. This is the OG, 71% win rate.
Nice.
Pretty bananas. 3.61 profit factor, even more bananas. Just a stud.
Just bananas.
Yeah, these are my stats.
Custom lockout. We're doing it. 6 a.m.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's valid for you.
Yeah. 1000%. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm locked out.
She's locked out. 60. Yeah, it was fun. Okay.
Like, I think the only thing. Where is this?
Share my screen. Is there a way I can do that? I can be like mod, or you have to be master as usual?
I think yes. I just think that maybe you have to also. Oh, wait. I can add you on the back. Yeah.
Did you TP on that?
Did I TP? I'm locked out. There's my proof.
Okay. You're done.
There's my
Okay.
proof. Yeah, I did make that mistake of I was up $1,200 and then I thought I was on my eval. I dropped 25 contracts on I dropped 25 contracts on it. Wasn't my eval. I gave it back. Gave it back $400. But that's exactly why I need to lock myself out.
Yeah, like there's those mistakes, silly mistakes.
My eval is up $134. That's the one I thought I was trading on. It's okay. It is what it is, but 800 is still a step in the right direction.
Absolutely.
I need to stop making stupid mistakes. I act like I don't know.
This is what prevents people from, like traders like in our stage, people who've been doing it for a bit. We just do these stupid things that
just dumb shit like Thursday.
And it could be, things like, like things that you did there which was like, what would you consider that? A logistic error, or?
I would just consider that like a negligence error. I was just like
negligence.
And like another thing is I did this on Thursday where I locked myself out of my account, and instead of locking it until 6 a.m. on a custom lock setting, I locked it till the end of the day, and that made it where I couldn't trade the account on Friday. And it's these stupid little things that'll be setbacks, and it's like just pay attention more,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
so
and that's why that's why for me, I know like I got to make sure that like my lifestyle is just like super dialed in, and like when I show up here I'm super dialed in because I know myself. I do stupid things like that, and like this is a good inversion here. This 15-minute.
I know. After I lock myself out, it's that trade that I was trying to take.
The fading it. I mean, I'd rather take longs off of midnight. That's what I'd be rather inclined to do. We'll see. I don't know. I do see shorts maybe coming in, but anyway, what were we talking about? We were on to something.
We're talking about stuff and things. Let's see.
It's 8:30, guys. She's locked out, and I think I'm good for this session. If you guys are, can look to wrap up here if you want.
Yeah.
Off stream.
Yep. Let's call it, and
it's
we'll
good
see you guys
education,
tomorrow.
good trades, and yeah.
Debbie's in the chat.
Dubs in the chat, guys. Dubs in the chat. If you like what we're doing here, you want to see more of it, throw the dubs.
Actually, no, this is the last day forever. We're never streaming again.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Down there. Yeah, right. Thank you, Osman. Thank you. Yeah. Past couple of them, a little bit low energy, you know what I'm saying? But we pick it up. We pick it up for you guys. www.
Mondays, am I right? We made monies. All right. Later, guys. We'll see you. Tails, I'll definitely try to. Or wait, Tails, by the way, which count is that? Oh, I don't know, man. We'll figure it out. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be on bright and early, our favorite time, 6:30 in the morning for us. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Deuces.